Another nice feature, if you have a PDF which is a huge has a huge file size, you are also able to reduce the PDF file size. So if I go back to this one, and on document, you can here reduce file size. So it now decreased the file size 38%. As you can see here. And you also, of course, have digital signatures. You can add your written signature into a stamp, for instance, if you like, or you can create your digital signature, and you can then also here create an area for where to sign, basically. So with if I add this area, it's open for everyone. It's going to be saved on the PDF document. So if you don't have Bluebeam, you can any other person who opens this document will have an area to digitally sign. So you just create your digital signature here. If you don't already have one, you can open it here, and it will be added to that area.